class and welcome to our science lessons. Today we're going to start a new unit in which we are going to talk about plants. This video will be divided into different parts, but first of all, what is a plant? Do you know what is a plant? I'm gonna help you with this definition. A plant is a living thing. This is so important. A plant is alive as we are. So, plants are living things that grow into the water or into the land. And we have several types of plants. For example, the trees or the grass are the most common ones. But now, in this first part of the video, we are going to focus our attention on trees. Please pay attention to the next video. Many trees change how they look during the seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. But an evergreen tree has leaves throughout the year and is always green. Most evergreen trees have needle-like leaves, like pine trees. Their wood is usually soft and it is used to make buildings. Types of evergreen trees include pine, hemlock, blue spruce, oak, and eucalyptus trees. Deciduous trees usually have broad, flat leaves. Their wood is harder than evergreen trees and they take longer to grow. During autumn, deciduous trees change color and lose their leaves. When the leaves fall to the ground, they make rich soil, which allows more plants to grow. Types of deciduous trees include maple, elm, birch, and aspen. Now, do you think you can tell the difference between an evergreen tree and a deciduous tree? Have you understood the difference between evergreen and deciduous trees? Well, we're going to explain it again. We will start with evergreen trees. This is how this tree looks in winter. This is how this tree looks in spring. This is how this tree looks in summer. And this is the same tree in autumn. Can you notice any difference? No, because they are evergreen trees. They do not change and they have got green leaves all year round. But now, what happened with deciduous trees? This is how the tree looks in winter. This is how the tree looks in spring. This is the same tree in summer. And this is the tree in autumn. Can you notice any difference? Yes, we can see differences during the year because these trees lose their leaves in autumn and winter. They are deciduous trees. Once we know all this information, it's time to go to the second part of this video, experiment time. For this experiment, we are going to have our plant. I want you to see and I want you to know the way in which a plant can grow. Follow me. What do we need for our experiment? Well, let's see. First of all, we will need cotton. Then it will be necessary a glass jar. We also need lentils, or you can use another seed that you want. And finally, we need spray with water. This is only water. Let's start. Step 1. We need a little bit of cotton. As you see, this size could be good. It's time to use our jar. We have to put the cotton inside the jar. But how? Well, this will be easy. We can roll the cotton like this and you will put it. As you see, I'll try to cover any space in this jar. And this is how it looks. Now we have to use our lentils. As you see, I pick between 8 or 10 lentils. Now we have to put the lentils in the jar. Some of them will be between the cotton and our glass jar, and we can't put the other ones inside of this jar, as you can see in the next image. You can use as much lentils as you want. Right now, it's time to use the water. We have to spray the water into the cotton, but it will be important that the cotton should be humid, but this shouldn't be wet. Finally, you have to put the glass jar close to a window because the sunlight will be very important. Well, class, right now it's your turn. If you want, you can take pictures day by day to see the process. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.